Rex's Dinosaur Story. The Adventures on Plant-Dinosaur Planet.
Hello everyone, I'm Rex. Today I want to share with you a planet from my imagination where all the dinosaurs are made of plants. These plant dinosaurs, made of leaves, flowers, and branches, roam freely on the planet, getting energy through photosynthesis.
This sunlight is fantastic. My leaves feel so energized.
The plant dinosaurs use colorful flowers and sturdy branches to build vibrant homes, harmonizing with the natural environment.
We decorate our homes with these bright flowers. They're not only beautiful, but also practical.
However, a drought brought scarcity of water to the planet.
Without enough water, our plant bodies will start to wither. We must find a solution.
But guess what? A super smart flower-crowned dinosaur, the flower dancer, discovered that dancing could call for rain. If we all do the rain dance together, we can attract clouds to bring us rain. Come on! So, all my plant dinosaurs worked together through dance and song, and they successfully called the rain.
We did it! Look at the rain! Our home is safe!
After this event, my plant dinosaurs learned the power of working together, collectively protecting their green homeland. Our dance and unity saved our planet, and we will forever guard this green home. That's my adventure story about how the plant dinosaurs united to overcome challenges and protect their beautiful planet. Enjoyed the story? Subscribe and ring the bell for more adventures with me.